Hi guys, today we are going to be learning how to make a cone gown or a cone skate that has so many partners. Okay, so we are going to be learning how to make it. You can use it for your wedding or your birthday or even your ball gown. So if you're interested in learning how to make this, just keep watching. So we are going to be achieving it using angle 360 degrees. So this is an opportunity for you to know how to fold or get angle 360 degrees. So to start folding with an angle 360 degrees, I'm going to go ahead or fold my pattern paper into two. As you can see, I have folded it into two. So I'm going to go ahead again and fold it again like this. So I am getting the angle 360 degrees. I went ahead to fold it into equal or four equal parts. So I have four pieces over there. Okay, I have four pieces. After folding, I have four pieces over there. Now the next thing I'm going to go ahead to do is to get the radius. We know how to get a radius if we are making our flare, but to get this, if you watch the picture we are recreating, it has about 8 partners there. So now to get this, we are going to get the radius. We are going to first of all bring our waist measurement. So now I am going to be using my waist measurement, which is 30 inches. I am going to add extra half of my waist measurement, which is 15 inches. 30 plus 15 is going to be giving me 45 inches. Now to get the radius, I'm going to be using 6.28 to divide this. So 45 divided by 6.28, whatever it gives me, I am going to, if it gives me 5, I'm going to add extra 2 inches for my zipper allowance to this. If it is 5 inches, add it 2 inches for your zipper allowance, making 7 inches. So I'm going to be marking the length of 7 inches. But if you watch, this is just a pattern illustration. I am not using the actual 7 inches length. I'm just using 3 inches because the pattern paper I'm using is not enough. So let's assume that this is just 7 inches. I have gone ahead to got the radius of this waist measurement. Hope you understand. Your waist measurement plus half of your waist. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and measure down the length of the skate or gown that I'm making like this. You see the way I'm placing my tape? So that is how to get angle 360 degrees. Okay, you just follow the tape from the radius length or the waist length, you measure down, begin to connect it in a circle way like this. Okay, so that is how to get angle 360 degrees. So I'm now done getting the cycles. The next thing I'm going to go ahead to do is just to cut the down part. After cutting the down part, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the or waist measurement. Please, after measuring the radius on your waist measurement, make sure to use your tape to cross check the measurement to know if your waist measurement is accurate before cutting. Oh, please, plus your extra allowance. So after cutting it out, this is what I have, and this side is closed. I'm just going to use my scissors and open the side part that is very close. And let me remind us again that this picture we are recreating has about 8 panels of cone. 8 panels. Okay, so we are going to be cutting 8 pieces using this paper. So if you want to learn how to cut 8 panels of cone, this is how you're going to go about it. So I have paper about like it's on fold. I have 4 inches, four pieces there. Now to get that 8 panels, the next thing I'm going to go ahead to do is to get, okay, I'm just opening it up for us to see how the inside look like, and you can see this midpoint over there. That is how it just looks like. So to get that 8 pieces, I am just going to go ahead and fold again. Like I have 4 pieces, folding again here is going to be giving me 8 pieces. Okay, so calculate the cone on the picture. You will see that it has 8 panels. So after folding and getting the center part, the next thing I'm just going to go ahead to do is to cut it. I folded it into 4. I went ahead and fold it again. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it open like this. Hope you understand. So after cutting it out, I'm still going to open the side part, like the center part of this peplon. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it open because the center part, the center front is closed. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it open. Now I'm just going to go ahead and arrange it in a circle way for us to see what it looks like. I have 8 pieces of panel there. So this is it, guys. Now to get that curvy look, like that curved cone look that we wanted, because everybody normally wants their panels to be curved and standing curvy. That makes it the cone effect. Okay, so you are going to be needing this, your Reggiline boning. So with this Reggiline boning, you are going to go ahead and achieve it. You have your Reggiline boning, your hairstay, and your lining. Okay, so the next thing, please, while placing your paper on your fabric, make sure you add half inch on the side of these panels. Add half inches for your joining of the panel. Make sure to add half inches on your fabric and on your lining while using your paper to cut. Is for the joining of all these side parts. Okay, so you need your Reggiline boning and your hairstay. Now I'm just going to mark down 1 inch or 0.7 inches for the joining of the upper part. I'll just mark it under it. So from that 1 inch I mark, I'm just going to bring down the tape and begin to divide where I wanted to put my Reggiline boning. Okay, just divide it. If it is 3 inches gap, you mark your 3 inches. If it is 2 inches, you mark your 2 inches on every panels. Okay, so the place you mark, measure with your Reggiline boning the length, and you cut it out and stitch it there. You measure again the second step, mark your measure with your Reggiline boning and stitch it there. So every panel must have this Reggiline boning. So it's your choice. If you don't want your Reggiline boning to show on your main fabric, you can go ahead and attach it on the lining, then you use it and turn the main fabric up. But make sure you iron a hairstay on the lining and also on the main fabric, your hairstay. Okay, after that, I'm just going to go ahead and join all this paper together with my gum, because I'm not going to be making this picture sewing it. I'm just going to glue all these pieces of panels together to have that cone. Now this is my cone. I have 8 panels of cone here, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do, if I'm like making the real clothes, I'm just going to go ahead and join it with the upper part of my blouse. Okay, so this is how you are going to achieve it. Make sure you iron your hairstay and your Reggiline boning, sew it, okay, and turn it up. But before you turn them up, make sure every panels must be ironed with hairstay and sew with Reggiline boning before you join all of them by the side. Hope you understand. Iron and stitch your Reggiline boning, then begin to join. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. Thank you and bye for now.